Alrighty, good morning, everybody. What I would like you to do is open up your packet. I'd like you to turn to page 31, and I know that we did number 19 yesterday, part A and part B. I'd like you to take a moment, do 20, 21, 22, 23. So you're going to do the bottom of page 31. In your notes packet, work with the people around you, and then what I want you to do is after you're done with that, unpause the video and you can check your answers. Okay, so right now you're going to pause the video, do 20 through 23 on the bottom of page 31, and then unpause the video to get the answers. Alrighty, here are your answers to 20 through 22. So take a few minutes, go over everything, look, make sure that you got it all. Okay, and when you are done with that, unpause the video and we'll go to the next thing. All right, so similar to what I just did on page 31, I would like you guys to turn to page 33. And yesterday you had done 4, 6, 8, and 10. So right now I would like you to do 3, 5, 7, and 9. So you're going to pause the video, do 3, 5, 7, and 9, come back, and I'll have the answers for you. And here are the answers to number 3 and 5. So pause the video, check everything, make sure you got everything right, and then I will throw up 7 and 9 for you. Alrighty, and here is number 7 and 9. So pause the video, take your time, look it over, take any notes that you need to, change anything that you need to. Okay, so the last page I'd like you to work on is page 34. So if you would work on page 34, 11, 12, 13, 14, pause the video, work on that, and same deal again, I will have the answers for you. Okay, please make sure you are trying these examples first by yourself. Don't just copy the work, that doesn't help you at all. Okay, so here is 11 and 12. Pause the video, look it over, make sure that you got everything, fix anything that you need to. Okay, and lastly, here is number 13. So just make sure that you have those points all lined up correctly. See how that worked for you. Okay, and then when you're done, remember that you have that Ed puzzle on transformations, and that is due the 15th, which is Thursday night. Now just keep in mind, if you look on Google Classroom, we have another assignment that is also due Thursday night. So that's why I've been giving you several days to work on this Ed puzzle. So I would try to finish that up tonight if you can, because on Thursday, September 15th, you have a different homework assignment, okay? Just so you're not inundated with a lot of work. Alrighty, so work on that Ed puzzle.